Coming up with giveaway ideas and product design layout can cost you thousands of pesos in terms of designer fees and setup charges. In addition, you have to spend days looking for suppliers, printing shops, deal with anxiety and stress. TransferIt is once again here to simplify things for you by offering quality products at low prices delivered the next day. Featuring our 999 pesos giveaway sampler, you will receive 11 products. It has a retail value of 1,500 but you only have to pay 999 pesos. Yes, 999. Save 500 pesos and time. These prototypes can be delivered within 2 to 4 days depending on location. Optional special packaging, bundling, and pricing is always available. Featuring our 500 pesos giveaway sampler, you will receive 9 products. It has a retail value of 800 pesos, but you only have to pay 500 pesos. Yes, 500! Save 300 pesos and time. No need to debate. Research and source multiple suppliers. These popular giveaways are available for next day delivery. Yes, next day delivery to your business address. And since TransferIt is a one-stop shop, I will discuss with you the different products that they could offer. So, these are actually some of what they can offer. You can go to their website, transferit.com.ph, for more products. But yeah, let's see the usual products that a company gives. So for example, we have here Eco Bag. Ayan. So as you can see, my logo. And they have also photo related to their company. The good thing about TransferIt is that just give your logo and they can relay out it on different products for you. They can work with you and hassle-free shop because it's a one-stop shop unlike any other suppliers na, for example, very specialized like sa notebook lang tapos hindi nagbebenta ng other products. With this one, you can get a company sampler and decide after that kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong ipamigay na products to your employees or your clients and customers. Okay, so after the Eco Bag, they also have itong planner or like the notebook with pen. Ayan. So, andito na yung logo mo. Dito na lahat. And ito, usually, lagi ko itong nakikita sa mga banks and pawn shop. So, they have the branding nung kanilang company and then the pen, diba? Para hindi nawawala yung pen. Nakadikit lang sa wall. And pwede rin itong keychain. Ayan. Logo. Pwedeng ganyan. Logo lang. Aside from that, usually nakikita ko to, yung kanilang calendar. Pag January na, there are a lot of companies na namimigay din sa clients nila ng calendar. So here, they have the calendar. Tapos, you can also put some ads pa or like branding and kung ano pa yung mga details about your company, you can also put here. So, actually, subtle siya na market ng brand mo. And then, etong white ceramic mug. Perfect for office din talaga siya. Ayan. Printed siya ng 2 sides. Ayan. And they also have the net cap. So, for example, you have mga sports fest and you want to have giveaways. Ito, this one is perfect. Aside from that, ang wall clock. So, this is actually a good branding kasi nga, nakikita lang to na nasa room, di ba? Naalala na agad yung company brand nyo. So, yan. That's a good. This one is really good. And, sobrang init sa Philippines. So, kailangan natin ng fan. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang printed on both sides. For this one, pwedeng yung dito, logo, and then other company details. Doon naman sa other side. Ayan. And of course, ito, usually nakikita ko to na pinapamigay talaga ng company to their clients. Hindi mawawala ang umbrella. Kasi maulan at mainit dito sa Philippines. Ayan. Andito yung logo. And there you have it, guys. If you want to have your own company sampler, these are all available in different packages, which I've mentioned earlier. So just choose which one is suitable for your company. We offer all popular giveaways that are always available for immediate delivery. These are extremely useful and visible within our customers' daily environment, from shirts, caps, bags, clocks, calendar, umbrellas, ref magnet, bottle openers, fan, and stationery. These products would last for years, and the amount of exposure cannot be quantified. Transfer It is your complete one-stop shop destination for all your business printing needs. We offer solutions pertaining to cost, delivery lead time, and quality expectations. We aim to be your reliable partner in increasing your sales and brand building. For quick layouts and mockups on popular gift items, just make an account here at transferit.com.ph, where you can upload your photos and logo under graphics. Product layouts can be saved and checked out if you like it produced and delivered within a day or two. Hit like and subscribe to receive more web designing videos. Thanks for watching!